Oke. Ayo, come on.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Yes.
Good morning, Alfred, the Honorable Miss Lecturer Rahima MPD SPDI, and all my friends who I
Okay,
am
good
proud of.
morning too.
First of all, let us praise the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, because with His grace we can join in this English course meeting. In this presentation, we will discuss starter and unstarted detailed question. Let's start this meeting by reading Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Thank you. For the next agenda is the presentation. We will be read by Intan.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Stated detail question. Stated detail question asks about one piece of information in the passage rather than the passage as a whole. The answers to this question are generally given in order the passage, and the correct answer is often restatement of what is given in the passage. This means that the correct answer often expresses the same idea as what is written in the passage, but the words are not exactly the same. Next. If there are stated detailed questions, students should identify this question. The question of stated detailed question as are follow. First, how to identify the question. 1. According to the passage. 2. It is stated in the passage. 3. The passage indicates that. 4. Which are the following is true. Second, where to find the answer. The answer of this question are found in order the passage. Third, how to answer the question. 1. Choose a key word in the question. 2. Scan the appropriate part of the passage for the key word or idea. 3. Read the sentence that contains the key word or idea carefully. 4. Eliminate the definitely wrong answer and choose the best answer from the remaining choices. Example, stated detailed question. Example 1, stated detailed question. Williamsburg is a historic city in Virginia that was settled by English colonial in 1633, 26 years after the first permanent English colony in America was settled at Jamestown. In the beginning, the colony at Williamsburg has named Middle Plantation because of its location in the middle of a peninsula between two rivers, the York and the James. The seat for Williamsburg had been selected by the colonists because the soil drainage was better there than at the Jamestown location, and there were fewer mosquitoes. The question. The passage indicates Jamestown. The answer is C, was the first permanent English colony in America. Unstated detailed question. You will sometimes be asked in the reading comprehension to find an answer that is not stated or not mentioned or not true in the passage. Will one answer is not. You should note that there are two kinds of answer to this type of question. First, there are three true answers and one that is not true according to the passage. 2. There are 3 true answers and 1 that is not mentioned in the passage. The following chart outlines the key information that you should remember about unstated detailed question. First, how to identify the question. 1. Which of the following is not stated? 2. Which of the following is not mentioned? 3. Which of the following is not discussed? 4. All of the following are true except second. Where to find the answer? The answer to this question are found in order in the passage. Third, how to answer the question. 1. Choose a keyword in the question. 2. Scan the appropriate place in the passage for the keyword or related idea. 3. Read the sentence that contains the keyword or idea carefully. 4. Look for the answers that are definitely true according to the passage. Eliminate those answers. 5. Choose the answer that is not true or not discussed in the passage. The next to be reader is Anissa Nur Alfat.
Example answer detailed question. In English, there are many different kinds of expression that people ask to give a name. Whose name is no, or momentary. Forget the word gadget is not such word. It was first used by British sailors in the 1850 and probably came from the French word gadget, which was a same whole. In everyday use, the word has a more general meaning. Other words are also used to give a name to something. Name or and this word tend to be somewhat imaginative. Some of the more commonly used expressions are what they call it: a oasis, a thing, a marble, a thing, a magic, a dot, or the key. The question, which of the following is not mentioned in the passage as an expression for something that is not known? The answer A. What is it? Exercise 10 and understand details question. Exercise 1. State detailed question. Passage 1. Ice age to periods when ice covered extensive areas of the earth are known to have occurred at least 6 times. Past ice age can be recognized from rock strata that show evidence of varied material deposit by moving walls of ice or melting glaciers. Ice age can also be recognized from land formations that have been produced from moving walls of ice, such as U-spined falls, sculptured landscape, and polished rock face. Number 1, according to the passage, what happens during an ice age? The answer C. Ice covered a large portion of the Earth's surface. Number 2, the passage covers how many different methods of organizing past ice age? The answer B. 2. Number 3, according to the passage, one in the rock strata is acute to geologists of a past ice age. The answer D. Substance from other areas. Passage 2. The human heart is divided into 4 chambers, each of which serves its own function in the cells. Both the atria are the thin-walled upper chambers that gather blood as it flows from the fence between headbursts. The ventricles are the thick walled lower chambers that transverse blood from the atria and pass it into the arteries with each contraction of the heart. The left atrium and ventricle works separately from the frontus on the right. The role of the chambers on the right side of the heart is to receive oxygen, deplete blood from the body tissue and send it onto the lungs. The chambers on the left side of the heart then receive the oxygen and rise blood from the lungs and send it back out to the body's tissue. Number 4, the passage indicates that the ventricles transfer the first blood into the arteries. Number 5, according to passage where is blood passed into the arteries from the ventricles, the answer A, as the heart beats. Selanjutnya dibacakan oleh Hasna.
Passage 3. The golden age of railroads refers to the period from the end of the Civil War to begin of World War I when railroads flourished and in fact maintained a near monopoly in mass transportation in the United States. One of the significant developments during the period was the notable increase in uniformity, particularly through the standardization of track gauge and time. At the end of the Civil War, only about half of the nation's railroads track was laid at what is now the standard gauge, 1.4 meters. Much of the rest, particularly in the southern state, had a 1.5 meter gauge during the post-war years. Tracks were converted to 1 meter gauge and by 1 June 1886. The standardization of track was complete, result in increased efficiency and economy in the rail system. A further boon to railroad efficiency was the implementation of standard time in 1883. With the adoption of standard time for time zones, driving railroad schedule and improve the efficiency of railroad service. Number 6, according to the passage with which part of the heart gets blood from the body tissue and pass it on to the lungs. The answer is the right atrium and ventricle. Number 7, according to the passage, the golden age of railroads, the answer was a period when most of U.S. mass transportation was controlled by the railroads. The passage mentioned that which of the following occurred as a result of uniformity of track gauge. The answer is improved economy in the transportation system. Number 9, the passage indicates that standard time was implemented? The answer is before standard track gauge was established throughout the US. Next, passage 4. The postage stamp has been around for only a relatively short period of time. The use of stamp for postage was first proposed in England in 1837 when Sir Rowland Hill published a pamphlet entitled Post Office Reform. Its importance and practicability to put forth the ideas that postal rates should not be based on the distance that a letter or package travel, but should instead be based on the weight of the letter of package, and the bills for postal service should be collected in advance of the delivery, rather than after, through the use of postage stamp. The ideas proposed by Hill went into effect in England almost immediately, and other countries soon followed suit. The first English stamp, which featured a portrait of the Queen Victoria, was printed in 1840. This time, the penny black come in sheets that need to be separate with scissors and profit enough postage for a liter weighing 14 grams or less to any destination. In 1843, Brazil was the next nation to produce national postage stamp, and various areas in what is today Switzerland also produced postage stamp later in the same year. Postage stamps in 5 and then cent denomination were first approved by the U.S. Congress in 1847, and by 1860 postage stamps were being issued in more than 90 governmental jurisdictions worldwide. Next. Number 10, according to paragraph 1, postage stamps were first suggested. The answer is in the second half of the 18th century. Number 11, it is indicated in paragraph 1 that Sir Rowland Hill believed that postage fees. The answer is should have nothing to do with how heavy a package is. Number 12, what is said in paragraph 2 about the first English postage stamp? The answer is it is designed by Queen Victoria. Next. According to paragraph 2, Brazil introduced postage stamp. The answer is after the United States. It is mentioned in paragraph 2 that in 1847, the answer is 2 different than denomination of postage stamp were introduced in the United States. Next. Exercise 2. Exercise 2 and state detailed question. Passage 1. Blood plasma is a clear, almost colorless liquid. It consists of blood from which the red and white blood cells have been removed. It is often used in transfusion because the patient general needs the plasma portion of the blood more than the other component. Plasma differs in several important ways from whole blood. First of all, plasma can be mixed for all donors and does not have to be from the right blood group, as whole blood does. In addition, plasma can be dried and stored, while whole blood cannot. Number 1, all of the following are true about blood plasma, except the answer is A. It is a deeply colored liquid. Number 2, which of the following is not stated about whole blood? The answer is D. It is a clear colors liquid. Passage 2. Dekanawida's role as a supreme lawgiver in the Iroquois tribe has given him the status of endemic within the Indian nation. Born into the Huron tribe, Dekanawida caused great fear in his parents, who tried to drown him in his youth after a prophecy was made indicating that he would bring great sorrow to the Huron nation. Dekanawida was to survive this attempt drawing, but later left his parents' home and tried to live among the Iroquois. One of his achievements with the Iroquois was the institution of a law among the Iroquois that virtually ended blood feuds among the nation's family. Wampum strings of beads made of polished shells was a value commodity in the Iroquois culture. According to policies established by Dekanawida, wampum had to be paid to the family of a murder victim by the family of the killer. Since the killer was also put to death, the family of the killer had to pay the victim family and wampum for 2 deaths. The death of the murder victim and the death of the killer. The strict police implemented by Dekanawida helped to establish him as a wise lawgiver and leader of the Iroquois nation. The next reader is Indra Setiawan.
Ya, untuk Fatan dan teman-teman lainnya. Nah, definition stated detailed question. Nah, definitionnya mana? Ya, definition, apa itu definisi, deskripsinya? Ya, maksudnya description. Ya, itu yang satu saya masukkan. Terus for example-nya mana? Contohnya, stated. Ya, stated dengan unstated. Nah, ada 2 perbedaan jadi ini. Anda menjelaskan stated-nya dulu. Ya. Di sini sudah ada, bagus. Di slide yang pertama saya lihat sebentar. Study detail. Ya, question asks about one page of information in the passage reader. Then the passage asks well, ya, the answer to this question. Okay, good. Ya. For example-nya mana ini? Fatan? Fajri? Ya, harus diberi for example. Nah, ini kan this mean that the correct answer often expresses the same way. How you the topic about William is historical city in Virginia. Ya, satellite ya, by English colonies in 1633. Nah, the topiknya We Love College Color Day. Saya tanya, apakah judulnya We Love College Color Day?
Itu lupa kehapus, Mem, yang We Love Color Day-nya.
Kenapa?
Lupa kehapus, baru lihat tadi.
Nah, oke, delete ya, revisi. Nah, ini topiknya tentang apa? Example, I stated a detailed question. Apa topiknya? Tiba-tiba ujung-ujung Anda menceritakan si William dari kota Virgin, ya, dengan kolonis Inggrisnya tahun 1633, ya kan? Ini maksudnya apa?
Saya ngambil yang di itu, Mem, yang di RPS bahasa Inggris di meeting 9-nya.
Ya, oke, good. Tapi Anda harus tahu ini menceritakan tentang apa. Jadi William ini the title-nya apa? Kalau Anda mengambil modul yang di chapter 9, berarti apa itu? Kira-kira apa gambaran Anda? Harus jelas. Ya, harus jelas. For example, I studied detailed question. Misalkan judulnya historical William, gitu. Atau historical James and William. Gitu harus jelas, ya. Itu masukan saya. Yang kedua ini, masukan saya yang kedua. Yang pertama saya tidak bisa mengulang kembali. Okay, the question, the passage indicates gemstone. Nah, ini pertanyaan dari wacana di atas atau bagaimana? The passage indicates gemstone. Gemstone kan ada di atas tuh. Ya. Nah, where's stated in mana the question-nya? Pertanyaannya yang seperti apa? Multiple choice. The passage indicates gemstone to be answered with the first permanent English colony in America. Nah, ini pertanyaan yang pertama. Sebuah example. Oke. Berarti ini menandakan jangan question. Comprehension, isinya comprehension, phrases, and composition. Ya. Kalau memang multiple choice, Anda tulis. Ya, choose. Harus ada keterangannya. Ini mah langsung question. The passage indicates. Maksudnya petunjuknya apa? Isilah titik-titik bawah ini, atau jawablah pertanyaan di bawah ini, atau pilihlah choose A, B, C, or D gitu. Harus ada keterangannya, bukan langsung to the point begini, jelas ya. Biasanya A, B, C, or D ini adalah choose. Maksudnya pilihlah pilihan ganda gitu kan. Oke, itu masukan saya. Harus jelas nih the question-nya ya. Kemudian the next slide. Stated detail. Nah, di sini negara unstated. Berarti you will sometimes be asked in the reading comprehension ya, to find answer that is not stated or not mentioned, yeah, are not true and the passage, yeah. And while one answer is not used short, not that there are two kinds. Nah, this is a question is number one. There are three true answer. Nah, ini kalimat apa? Stated ini definitionnya apa? Kalau the stated detail question definitionnya tadi ask about one piece information. Kenapa unstatednya tidak ada deskripsinya? Langsung ke wacananya. Kenapa? Ini tambahan satu lagi. Ya, unstated detail question is bla 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 bla. Jadi harus ada deskripsinya. Apa yang maksud dengan unstated detail question? Jawabannya adalah unstated detail question is bla 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 bla. Baru Anda mengutarakan wacananya gitu. Ya, jadi terarah, terukur dan terstruktur. Ya, oke. Itu masukan saya. Banyak revisi nih, ya Fatan, Fajri, Intan. Oke. The following chart outlines the key information that you should remember, ya, about unstated detail question. Okay, how to identify the question. Okay, good job. Ini bagus. Nah, for example-nya adalah ditaruh di paling atas, kebalik Anda. Ya, for example-nya di atas, setelah after dari description. Ya, paham ya? Terus juga ini the question-nya tiba-tiba A, B, C, D, the best answer A. What it is, nggak ada keterangannya, harus diberi keterangan ini. Nah, minimal exercise tuh memang 1 boleh, nggak apa-apa, 2 paling maksimal adalah 3 ya, 3 question. Nah, passage 2 and passage 3, nah ini juga menyambung ya, 1, 2. Ya, exercise one stated detail question. Nah, ini mengutarakan choose. Maksudnya dari kalimat TOEFL. Nanti soal TOEFL ini seperti ini. Nah, ice against, ya. Di sini ice bacaan dulu ya. Setelah itu Anda menyimak dari wacana tersebut, baru multiple choice. Ini persis kayak di TOEFL and IELTS. Soalnya seperti kayak gini. Menyimak dari wacana di atas, biasanya di bawahnya komprehnya itu 5 question, 5 pertanyaan. Ini sama ini. Memang begitu nih TOEFL itu ya. Ditolong ini dipahami. Passage 4 juga ada nih wacananya. Nah, ini saya suka. Ini tidak ada revisi. Passage 4, passage 1, 2, 3, 4 ini bagus semua. Oke, good job. Namun di sini yang perlu diperbaiki adalah tadi ini yang slide the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 nih. Ini salah penempatan saja ya. Jadi pertama itu the first, the topic stated detail question and description. Apa descriptionnya? For example, baru contohnya, baru adanya if there stated detail question student should identify, ya, question detail question ask are follow. Nah, baru itu ya. Terus the next slide, the question Anda diberi contohnya apa gitu. Ini topiknya tentang historical William and James Stone itu. Nah, ini jadi kayak wacana-wacana. Ini TOEFL nih, persis di TOEFL ya. Kalau menghadapi tes TOEFL ya kayak gini. Jadi Anda menyimak dari kalimat ini, Anda harus betul-betul tes TOEFL. Ini final untuk mencapai TOEFL di atas 500 skornya ya. Oke, bagus. Oke, jadi itu aja input and suggestion, masukan dan saran dari Mem Rohimah. Good job. Oke, maybe question? Ada yang mau tanyakan?
Mem,
Yes.
Haider masuknya ke kelompok saya, Mem.
Siapa?
Bang Haider.
Kelompok berapa? 10. Next week.
Bukan. Masih lama, Mem.
Oh ya udah.
Hmm.
Ya udah, whatever, tidak apa-apa, terserah. Oke. The topic material stated unstated. You understand? Kalian semua paham? Paham ya? Ini kan negara koloni, ya, menceritakan negara-negara yang sana. Cuma Anda harus paham apa perbedaan, what is difference, ya, apa stated and unstated. Kalau perlu lebih lengkap lagi the type-nya and function-nya. Nah, satu ya deskripsi ya, the first deskripsi. Dua apa? Dua adalah type-nya, tipe-tipenya. Ketiga adalah apanya? For example-nya. Keempat adalah difference-nya, perbedaannya. Difference about stated and unstated. Gitu. Gampang kok ini mah. Tuh kan, according passage dekan wisuda was not. Berarti ini kan apa? Menyimak soal yang di atas. Ya. Kok tiba-tiba ada dekan apa sih ini yang di slide nih, dekan Wida was not. Nah, Anda kalau tidak ini tidak apa, tidak paham soal ini, TOEFL Anda pasti jelek nanti, ya. Jadi tolong nih, dari bacaan passage 2 berarti Anda menyimak bacaan ini. DKD with ya rule, supreme law, ini hukum, tentang hukum, supreme law, keyword ya. And then parents, home, and tribe, and life among institution. Ya, nah di sini establish Dekanawida namanya ya, Dekanawida rules. Ya bagus. And passage lain sudah tidak ada revisi. Yang revisi tadi aja. Saya ulangi ya, the first definition, description. The next slide adalah type-nya. Type-nya boleh silakan, kemudian for example-nya. Nah, yang question tadi harus diberi petunjuk. Jawablah pertanyaan di bawah ini atau pilihlah huruf A, B, C, D atau choose ya. Nah, itu kan choose berarti A, B, C, or D. Nah, itu bahasa Inggrisnya apa gitu. Anda harus begitu ya. Oke. Jelas? Jelas? Kalau jelas berarti Anda sudah paham ya apa maksud Mem.
Insyaallah.
Maybe question? Any others? Enough? Okay. Enough ya. Thank you for your attention. Say together, alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Amin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ya, saya sudah screenshot ya. Yang nggak open kamera, I'm sorry, saya anggap tidak masuk. Meskipun Anda menyimak, tapi close kamera berarti saya anggap tidak masuk. Saya sudah screenshot. Nama Anda sudah saya screenshot semua. Yang nggak nampak fotonya dan gambar kepala kalian, berarti saya anggap tidak masuk. I'm so sorry, oke? Itu
Thank you,
saja,
ma'am.
thanks. Ya,
Oke,
bye. See
ma'am.
you next week in the class presentation group 10. Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.